Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanics 757, working with a wonderful repeat customer working on a Corvette. Customer was complaining that her battery was not holding the charge to start the car. With that being said, I did my test. It showed that the battery needs to be recharged. And I'm going to show you. We're going to do a test, live test. I've already done this. We're going to do it again. It's a 550 cranking amp battery. I'm going to hit enter. And you can see it says charge and retest. The battery is around 14%. So we're going to try to start the car. I already knew the car is not going to start, and I'm going to give you the reason why. Now we're going to hit the key and watch this. Okay, so this is what I've been telling people for the last 30 years. When you have a battery that is extremely weak, this is not a serviceable battery. Even though you do a trickle charge and all the other great stuff, you have to have the acid and everything to cover up the plates. When the battery is depleting itself, you can charge it all you want to, but you'll get away with it if it's a warm or good climate. As soon as it gets cold, like this brisk morning we got now, the battery has to work hard, and now it has to be jumped. It is best just to go ahead and buy another battery. This battery is 1 year old. It came from Walmart. Just go ahead and buy yourself another battery. A lot of people say, oh, you could charge it up. I don't know many people who walk around with chargers in their house. Just get another battery and move on, or get stranded. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Please leave positive comments and positive feedback. We all love to learn. If you have anything you want us to try out, tools or equipment, we will give you a live shout out and thank you right on the video. Thank you.